imagine, play, create, and grow. Child-ED Kids Work.
Adventures from A to Z for preschool kids at Child-ED Kids Work. A for ant. A N T ant. B for banana. B A N A N A banana. C for cupcake. C U P C A K E cupcake. D for drum. D R U M drum. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant. F for Firetruck. F I R E T R U C K Firetruck. G for globe. G L O B E globe. H for helicopter. H E L I C O P T E R helicopter. I for ice cream cone. I C E C R E A M C O N E ice cream cone. J for jellyfish. J E L L Y F I S H jellyfish. K for koala. K O A L A koala. L for ladybug. L A D Y B U G ladybug. M for mushroom. M U S H R O O M mushroom. N for narwhal. N A R W H A L narwhal. O for owl. O W L owl. P for pineapple. P I N E A P P L E pineapple. R for rainbow. R A I N B O W rainbow. S for sunflower. S U N F L O W E R sunflower. T for tiger. T I G E R tiger. U for ukulele. U K U L E L E ukulele. V for violin. V I O L I N violin. W for watermelon. W A T E R M E L O N watermelon. X for xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E xylophone. Y for yak. Y A K yak. Z for zebra. Z E B R A zebra. Adventures from A to Z for preschool kids at Child EDU Kids Work.
Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Imagine, play, create, and grow. Child EDU Kids Work.